Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy structured arrays. Structured arrays are a powerful feature that allows you to work with arrays containing named fields, making your data more organized and accessible. Structured arrays are NumPy arrays that can store heterogeneous data with named fields. Think of them as similar to database tables or spreadsheets, where each column has a name and can contain a different type of data. Unlike regular NumPy arrays that hold only one data type, structured arrays let you combine integers, floats, strings, and other types in a single array. Structured arrays have 4 key characteristics. First, they support multiple data types, meaning each field can have its own data type. Second, they provide named access, allowing you to retrieve data by field name instead of numeric index. Third, they are memory efficient because all data is stored contiguously in memory. And fourth, they have a fixed schema that is defined at creation time and cannot be changed later. To create a structured array, you first define a data type using NumPy.dtype. The dtype is a list of tuples, where each tuple contains a field name and its data type. In this example, we define 3 fields: name as a Unicode string of up to 20 characters, age as a 32-bit integer, and salary as a 64-bit float. Once the dtype is defined, you create the array using NumPy.array and pass your data along with the dtype parameter. Here's a complete example creating an employee array. We pass a list of tuples to NumPy.array, where each tuple represents one employee record. Alice is 30 years old with a salary of $75,500. Bob is 25 with $68,000, and Charlie is 35 with $82,750. The dtype parameter tells NumPy how to interpret this data. Accessing data in structured arrays is straightforward. You can access an entire field by its name, like employee's square bracket quote name quote, which returns all names. To access a specific elements field, use double indexing, such as employee's 0 square bracket quote salary quote for Alice's salary. You can also access multiple fields at once by passing a list of field names, like employee's double square bracket quote name quote comma quote age quote double square bracket. NumPy supports various data types for structured arrays. Quote U20 quote represents a Unicode string up to 20 characters. Quote I4 quote is a 32-bit integer. Quote F8 quote is a 64-bit floating point number. Quote question mark quote represents a Boolean value. Quote datetime 64 quote handles date and time data. And quote capital O quote is for Python objects, though this is less memory efficient. Structured arrays are ideal for several use cases. They excel at storing tabular data with mixed types, like employee records or customer information. They're perfect for reading CSV files where columns have different data types. Scientists use them to store experimental data with multiple measurements, and they provide memory-efficient database like operations without needing a full database system. This makes structured arrays a versatile tool for data organization and analysis.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.